Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy and it's so great to have you back. So in the spirit of making planters, I decided to make this one. Plus you guys, I'm trying to become a plant mom. So I think I own like about 3 plants already. I don't know how they're faring exactly, but they are doing great. I decided to make this planter, put my plants in beautiful places, so I'm going to be making more planters for more of the plants that I'm going to buy. I'm going to be putting you guys through the do's and don'ts of working with concrete and my mistakes and things I really want you guys to avoid if you're going to be making a concrete planter. It's an easy DIY. Stay tuned to the end. Watch every part of this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and turn on your post notification. I'll see you in the rest part of this video. So I'll be starting with these 6 pieces of wood, and I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 pieces of wood at the middle. And to do that, I'm going to mark the center of the wood, then cross each wood over the other wood and take a mark of the size of the wood on top of each of them, like I'm doing on the screen. I'm going to do that for the both wood and then cut them out. So next up, I just transferred my wood to a cutting table and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the space where I already marked, and I'm going to cut in between the space too. I'm going to cut tiny spaces, or I'm going to make tiny cuttings rather in between the space, and like I'm doing on the screen. And you're going to see me also breaking it out completely with my scraper. This is a scraper I have, so you're going to have to get a hard tool that you know is strong enough to break out wood, and I'm going to just go ahead and break that off. This is really going to be easy once, so long as you cut it into tiny pieces. And I'm going to go ahead with my hammer to chisel the ends out so it looks clean. I'm going to do that for the both wood and join it. So I'm sure by now you already understand what I meant by crossing the wood on top of each other. So now I'm going to join it with my glue and hammer. I'm also going to go ahead and start joining the remaining 4 pieces of wood to the ends of the cross. And once I'm done joining the 4 pieces of wood to the ends of the cross, that's the end, and that's all I need to do for this plant stand. You can go ahead and paint yours if you want, do anything you want with it, but this is where I really want to stop for this one. Now for the planter, I'm going to mix my regular cement and my POP cement with water and PVA glue. I'm going to pour the cement in, then pour the water and PVA glue inside. I mixed my water and PVA glue already, but I would advise you mix your water and PVA glue, then start adding your cement gradually till you get the right consistency. That way you won't have lumps and it would be easier to work with. Now I'm going to transfer my mixture into a bowl. I would advise, before you transfer your mixture into a bowl, always make sure you apply petroleum gel to your bowl first. That way it's easier for it to come off when it's dry. So I'm going to do mine, transfer my mixture into a bowl, then put another bowl on top of the mixture. This bowl contains water because it makes it heavy enough to sit on the concrete mixture without like floating. So I realized that this bowl I put here is so big and won't give me what I wanted, so I changed it into a smaller bowl and then took it outside, tap the sides just to take off the air bubbles, and I let it sit for a few hours so it can get dried. So this is few hours after I've left it to set, and now I'm going to take off the first bowl on top and then take out the one at the bottom to unveil my concrete project. And I realized it cracked by the side because I was so impatient. I went and touched it for several times, but yeah, I'm going to fix that up later. You can see the cement kind of shrank, so it was really easy to pull this.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.